Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot ZTE RedMagic 10R. Alright, so let's begin. So the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So in the beginning I will tell you that you can perform a simple reboots from time to time. It's good for your device health and the performance. Because during the reboot your phone basically rests, we can say it in that way, and during that process you close some of the background processes, and it also free up some RAM. Alright, so to reboot this device we need to open power menu first. To do it, hold the power button, just like that. Alright, and now we have the restart button right in here, so simply click on that, tap once more. As you can see now the screen went black, and now we need to wait until our device will be turned on and ready to use, and it will be turned on automatically. You can now see that the RedMagic logo appeared right now on the screen, and now we need to simply wait. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.